Hi, this is Chuck Fry from U.Genius with a thought-provoking nugget to help you think more creatively, expand your possibilities, and accelerate your success in 2 minutes or less. For most people, a subconscious mind is a thing of great mystery. It's the deeply submerged part of the brain that we know is there, but we don't really understand it or how it works. But the creative people know that it's one of their biggest allies. The subconscious is literally the workshop of the mind where ideas are forged. You see, it takes in everything you read, hear, see, and experience and stores it. Then it relentlessly smashes together different ideas and concepts, and it serves up those that are most intriguing as hunches or flashes of insight. Most people tend to ignore them, but the creative person values them quite highly. You see, many of history's greatest thinkers have used the subconscious mind to develop breakthroughs and insights. Thomas Edison would literally sit in his favorite chair with a pair of ball bearings in his hand. As he dozed off to sleep, his hand would relax and the balls would clatter loudly to the floor. This would wake him up, and he would write down the ideas and insights that appeared on the borderline between wakefulness and sleep. Another famous person who understands the value of the subconscious mind is the famous comedian John Cleese. Did you know that he's an avid student of how the brain works? He figured out early on during his Monty Python days that even when his mind wasn't actively engaged in a project, his subconscious mind was ruminating on it. Did you know that you can feed your subconscious mind with the problem or challenge you want to solve? Simply research everything you know about it. Review your notes just before bedtime, then literally sleep on it. The next morning, be prepared to capture the ideas that will bubble into your conscious mind. Why not try this technique for yourself? Learn to trust in the hunches that your subconscious mind delivers up. Better yet, vary your information diet to give it a bigger variety of raw material to work from. I think you'll be delighted with the results.